Hey there, ready to dive into the world of Genshin Impact on your PC? Awesome, let's make it happen. There are two ways to get Genshin Impact on your computer. Either straight from the official website or through the Epic Game Store. Let's break down both routes. Method 1. Install from the official website. First things first, open up the link provided in your favorite browser. Don't worry, you can find it in the video description. Then click on the PC download button. Once the installer is downloaded, give it a go. Next, hit yes to grant permission. Then click the necessary box and click install. After that, click run now. Hit get game and voila! The installation kicks off. Once done, you're all set to play. Installing from the Epic Game Store. Open up the Epic Game Store, click on the search icon, next type in Genshin Impact and hit enter. Then click on Genshin Impact from the search results. Then click Get. Tick the box and hit Place Order. Click on View in Library and click on Genshin Impact. Then click Install. Next, give permission by clicking Yes. Then Genshin Impact Launcher will be downloaded. After that, click on Genshin Impact again to launch. Then hit Yes to give permission. After that, click Get Game and start installing. Once installed, it's game time. And there you go, installing Genshin Impact without spending a cent. If this guide helped you out, show some love by smashing that like button. And for more Genshin Impact tips and tricks, hit subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.